We get a lot of calls on door panels. What exactly came on your truck and what different options you have. My name's David Welch. I'm at Brothers Tech Center here. I'm going to break down all your choices and the difference between the independent years. So stay tuned and see what came out on your truck. Now, if you had a nice, simple, basic Chevy or GMC model, it came with these steel door panels right here. Horizontal lines. Holes are already punched out for your handles, though. That's really hard to find if you have to go pecking around for that yourself. And all your base models had this. They were just painted the same color to match the truck. Nothing really all that special. If you're going to be doing something custom, though, this is a nice base to start with to put your upholstery and such on top. Now, let's say, for instance, you're not into color and you want to get it chromed and really snap up the bling. We've got chrome for you. If you were to take this to a chrome shop and have it done, it's a lot more expensive than just buying these brand new, straight out of the box, ready to rock and roll. 67, 68 Deluxe Chevy and the GMC trucks came with this door panel right here. You can always tell from the others because it has the vertical pleats. It has a cushioned vinyl covering that's nice and soft, and it has the dielectric stitching right here. Nice, simple, basic, but it's very nice on your Deluxe. Now, 69 is a standalone year. Nice thing I like about this one is it has this Chevy emblem right up here in the rolling scroll that you see goes all the way around the door. And it has these vertical pleats right here that are nice and tight. Now, this is also a cushioned, nice soft vinyl. It's not as easy to tell with these tight vertical pleats in the scroll, but it is also very soft and very accurate for the year. Also comes in a lot of different colors. So 70 and 71, very similar. You'll notice the dielectric scroll going around. You'll notice your pleats right here, same soft back vinyl. But at the top right here, it also has a soft back vinyl wood grain with the trim going around it. Very distinctive for 70 and 71. Now, the thing I like about all of these is if you take a look at the back, you'll notice that when they wrap them around, they've come around generously. They obviously used a lot of glue on the corners. They're stapled right here. And the materials that they're making this stuff out of now is a lot different than way back in the day. This is going to last you a lot longer, and it's going to look a lot nicer. So 72 is also a standalone year. There were two door panels for that. This right here, you're looking as your base model, your basic model right here. Has your waffle board background right here. Holes are already drilled out for your door handles, made out of ABS plastic. And like I said before, this stuff is a higher quality than you were able to get way back when, because the materials and the manufacturing processes are a lot higher too. So it gives you a better door panel than what you've ever been able to get before. So for your Deluxe model in 72, this is what you'd be looking at. It's easily identifiable by the scroll that's going across the top right here, and some models came with this right here. Wood grain piece right here finishes right up on top. Now, these are a hard ABS plastic instead of your softer vinyl covered stuff. This is what was available in 72, and you can get an exact match for your truck. So the thing I really like about Chevy and GMCs is that it's all very interchangeable. If I've got a 67, but I like the 69 door panel better, no problem. I can put that on there. I can even put any of these door panels on the 72. With one note, you're going to need a different window regulator though. You'll see this is raised right here, and the shaft that comes out on the 72 is a little bit longer to compensate for that. So you want to think your project all the way out. There's going to be things that you're going to need in the peripheral. This right here, for instance, is how the door panel is held up at the very top. This one is for your standard models. This is for your Deluxe. Your extrusions right here, if I'm saying that right. Notice the different colors they come in. We have even more than that. I just wanted to give you an idea of what's out there. All your old screws, you're going to lose them. They're looking tired. You're going to want to get new ones. And if you have the 72, these are the little pins that go in the back right here. These are never going to last when you take them out. Just plan for them to break and plan to get new ones. They're very inexpensive. It's going to make your job a lot easier when everything's going back together again. Also make sure that you get your armrests. These come in a lot of different styles, and you can mix and match just like your door panels. You can get what you want on there. So you make sure you check us out on Facebook and Instagram and on YouTube. You make sure you subscribe, because I'm going to be doing another one of these. It's going to be even better than this one, and you're going to want to watch that one too.